evening, friends. You all may be aware that about 2 to 3 weeks back we had come over here and we had put it forward to the people, the benefactors of Goa, our citizens, regarding the neglect towards the people who are less fortunate, and that is looked after by Street Providence. Well, we are happy that in the recent, and our demand was that provision should be made for these people in the budget. There were a lot of misunderstandings going on, and there were a lot of obstacles to be cleared. But today we are happy to announce that the Honorable Chief Minister, who also happens to be the Finance Minister, was very receptive. He made provision for us, and the nitty-gritty has to be still sorted out at the administrative level. I think wherever we have gone, whether it was the Chief Minister, the Minister for Social Welfare, the Secretary Social Welfare, Secretary Additional Secretary Finance, all these people were very, very receptive, and they understood that the work that has been done by Street Providence is something where others have been found wanting. So to that extent, we are very thankful to the government for having reposed faith in us. It is a fact that they have themselves selected a Street Providence headed by Donald as being the best NGO serving the people. So in that aspect, we are happy, and we hope there is still something that needs to be streamlined, and that has to be administratively streamlined by the Department of Social Welfare, so that we don't need to come again over here and stand and protest over these things. Now that they understand, we are hopeful that they understand that that the intentions are clear of the government to help this segment of society. We are hopeful that the administrative within these departments take a cue and respect.
We had said that about 2 weeks back that we'll be going to the assembly on the day of the budget to either thank the Chief Minister or to either protest against if grants were not allocated. But due to the weather and due to the assembly getting over late, we did not undertake that trip because weather was not good that day. But overall, the budget which was presented has, for the first time, allocation made towards ladies who are homeless on the street, senior citizens on the street who require palliative care, and Goan persons with disabilities who require midway homes and halfway homes. Like Sir said, he quoted various names, but I will like to highlight one name, and that is Sir Vikas Gaunekar, Additional Finance Secretary. Not an easy gentleman to convince, negotiate, deal, get something from. But in the last 1 year, he has understood exactly the core of the issue. He has understood that the problem is rising. He has understood that it is the state's responsibility, and means the state has to do something. And he, being the Additional Finance Secretary, he has been cooperative in listening to us whenever we have went. He has been cooperative enough to use his extra powers or use his authority to get things moving in the way it should have been moving all this time. We also thank Dr. Pranav Bhatt, he is the Budget Joint Secretary, for accommodating our request at short notice on a Saturday. Maybe he was briefed, or maybe he has compassion, or anybody dealing with us in this segment, that is shelter homes, needs to have common sense, needs to have compassion, needs to have human touch, needs to have some feeling for people who uh, may not be able to face the world by themselves. Additional Finance Secretary Sir Vikas Gaunekar as the mastermind towards us being happy this time. This is the first time after 2 years we are standing here. We are smiling. We are not going to find fault with the system this time. And Dr. Pranav Bhatt for short notice going out of his way, seeing that everything was provision was made on the assurance given. We would like to, especially although sir is a police officer, but I would like to appreciate DYSP Tushar Venekar, who has quite often been able to respond to either sir's message or my message, and move that file, or whenever we have asked for any help for a signature or some little quick favor which he has considered, done, and got things moving. Last but not the least, we would like to thank the Honorable Women and Child Minister for all the support that we have received from his department in the last 5 years. Okay, we understand that certain things were not in our favor, or administration may not have been aware that what was the crux of the situation, how difficult it is, because nobody has done this before. Nobody has opened so many homes and asked government for money. He has been cooperative enough. In the last 5 years, his department has been cooperative enough. If I have offended anybody from any particular department, especially in the last 2 years, we apologize. It was not intentional. It was just a level of frustration and disappointment at the slow pace of things moving. But now with the Honorable Chief Minister aware, okay, he has not met us last 6 months, but he is aware. We have options to place our grievances, our disappointments to these officers, that is Additional Finance Secretary, Joint Secretary Budget, and his Security in charge. So we have avenues to place our disappointments. We hope now that since the budget has been, provision has been made for the budget, it is there, okay? It is there. We are happy at what has been allocated. It's a jump of almost maybe more than 100%. So it's a jump for us. It's a good sign for the government. They are understanding this topic of persons with disabilities and homeless on the street. And we would like to say that the administration, that is the department heads, should keep all their egos aside. We also are ready to keep our egos aside. We are ready to have patience, but with the closed commas. It cannot be patience for the next 6 months, and these files will keep moving around for the next 6 months. What moved in 7 days was at lightning speed. Honorable Chief Minister was assuring that within 7 days it will be sorted out, and he has sorted it out. I am waiting for 45 days now. I will wait till 15th of May to get, because now everything is there. You have to ask money from nobody. It is already given. Usually administration says finance, 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 and finance says administration. So we have got it sorted out with the finance through the Chief Minister. We have not done anything. We are not taking any credit. It is all the Chief Minister's credit who has instructed his team. This is the second battle which the Chief Minister has won by getting the money into the budget. It is there. Okay. The administration has to move the papers, make the proposals, and issue the orders. So we will be waiting till 15th of May to get our orders. Failing which, I should not be saying it, but failing which, we will be forced to approach the Chief Minister.
Things that changed during this budget, what is the highlight of that budget that affects you?
See, usually the budget for women and child was just 50 lakhs for not donkeys, just for a couple of years. and it was shown at 4,500 rupees at the 2007 inflation rate. So it has never been upgraded. So recently, beginning of this month, our difference in food allowance from 33 rupees to 200 rupees was sanctioned, which we took a meeting here on the 7th of this month. 17th of this month, the bills were sent, and 18th our grant of the difference in the food was released. Okay, it just happened in one day. Although through accounts you cannot get any bill released after 7th of the month. But for us, like I said, the mastermind, Vikas Gavanegar sir, has done the provision. So now what happened? The provision has gone to 20,000. What was 4,500 for this budget 25-26, 20,000 rupees has been allocated for
Per woman.
per woman
Per woman per month.
per month, which is something unbelievable.
And this is only for food, or it is
The entire like what is
treatment
the
cost?
treatment, the full budget for women.
For women, the cost is much more than compared to the men. So that's why.
And comparatively, what is it for men? And if anything has
So
changed?
for men, there are two sections. One is person with disability, midway homes for person with disability. There also we have requested for 25 and they gave us 20, which we have accepted. And for men, palliative care who are non-person with disability. Say people who have got wounds or maybe some sort of say dementia, Parkinson, some sicknesses who don't qualify under person with disability department. They have already had a provision of 12,500, which we are comfortable. Asked for support for 200 people, but we will go up to 300 people. So by the time the next budget comes in in March 2026, we will ask for provision for 500 people. So they have given for 200 allocation funds, which we will go up to 300 in this year. But with keeping an eye that the amount of people turning disability or the amount of people turning on the street for genuine reasons have to be looked into the future. We are prepared. We are not going to sit at 200. We are going to go beyond 200 immediately.
So what is the budget allocated for this purpose?
That's what I said. 20,000 rupees.
No. Okay, so there is no total amount.
There is a total amount. Let me not break the news at the moment because.
It's already in the budget.
Yeah. I'm coming to that. Let us wait for first to come. Okay. We are happy with what they have given us. It is showing on the part B. Okay. Let us see now how long and how quickly this administration puts it into effect.
So these are for all NGOs, whoever is taking care
Whoever
of
is applying for grants, funds, who are shelter homes, whatever they are applied, it is not only for us, it is for everybody.
Provodari also.
Provisionary is a separate department by themselves. Their budgets are maybe 38 to 40,000 per person. We are at, this budget is at half the rate.
You're protesting outside CWC, and you had a lot of issues that used to go up and back and forth with the CM. So things relation with CM also has changed. What has changed that is
CM
brought
is
about
not,
this?
CM is not meeting me personally, neither is he entertaining me in his office personally. But like I said, the mastermind, Vikas Gavanegar is the mastermind. So if Vikas Gavanegar as a human being, as a person, understands the problem, then our problem is solved. We cannot go.
You see, it's basically awareness. They were not aware what is the thing, how many people on the streets and all. And when they realize this thing, I think then many people opened up to it. Others, it was their provisions are made.
See, usually as an NGO, people think you are only asking money. Even administration, certain section of administration is still under the impression we are asking money for this person in this scheme and this person in that scheme, which we have clarified. So basically, end of the day is, if we are going to go to CM for everything, then we don't require the administration. So if there's an administration and the administration can understand what we are talking, it is well and good. The administration cannot understand what we are talking, then we have to go back to the CM. Now, since he has put everything into the system without disturbing the administration, it is time that the administration takes a clue about it, understands, okay, yes, now you can't grumble, you can't grumble, finance is not given, it is there. So next time we will tell the CM, okay, sir, why don't you increase it now? Because reality will happen, from 200 we are going to go to 300, we may even go to 350, we may even go to 400, but you have to make provision for the, it is not only us, anybody can apply for the schemes. That is between them and the administration. administration should understand now that the money has been given. So if the money has been given and the minister in charge has requested them to see that it is happens within 45 days. It should not go beyond 45 days. Usually, like I said, we always say administration puts the blame on finance. Now there's nothing to put the blame on anybody else. It's already there. Everybody knows it's there. In fact, the budget which they asked for and the budget which was allocated has gone up because of this particular step which the CM took. So the money is allocated for the head. Now, we will be running out of resources within the next 2 months for various reasons. Our inflation rate is very high and our costs are rising continuously. So, because of this query which we had told them, sir, we don't have money beyond May now. So, if we don't get the money by 15th of May, then how will we clear the bills for June? Because it's already there. There's no point giving it to me end of the year. What will I survive during the intervening period? Because it's there, no. It just has to be given. So that's my deadline that I'm telling also now. We will see. Without money, you cannot run the shelter. Nothing is comes free. No matter what we think, what we say, and what we do, nothing comes free. Our point is the money has been allocated in the budget, and that's what I quoted the name of Dr. Pranav Bhatt, a very strict officer, somebody not easy to break into, somebody not easy, but when he has done his part and it has reflected within the shortest period of time on a Saturday, we can't go back to the CM, right, and say you have not given the money. So we have to go back to the administration.
It's really amazing what they are doing. I never expected anybody can do like this because I had lost all the hopes about myself. But I came here on the stretcher and I started walking here. So they really took good care of me, which is very amazing, and they are doing a really good job for the poor, for the needy, those who are on the streets, those who don't have anyone. It's a really good job they are doing.
To run the street Providence, you need a lot of money.
Yes,
and today that you
definitely
see,
nothing is coming free.
and today that you see the CMs in the Goa budget, this news that even your head Donald is happy. What do you have to say to them?
Yes, we are really happy to hear that. The government is really concerned about us. They have started giving grant. Hopefully they will increase it more and see to us. So now we are happy. At least the government has, the eyes are open. They are really thinking forward to look after us.
वैभव देसाई प्रियोर फोंडा
फिअर फोंडा आणि कितले वर्सां जाली तुका थिंगा street Providence?
सर आसा म्हाका 3 वर्सां वायट जाली 3 वर्सां 5 पेटे जाले
ओके. आणि कशें दिसता तुका थिंगा?
पयली पेक्षा बरें दिसता म्हाका पण मातशे त्रास जाता म्हाका ते अशें कोणी कफेक बी केलें की
हय.
अशे त्रास जाता
तुजो ट्रिटमेंट चलता.
ट्रिटमेंट चलता
आणि आयज तुमकां ते न्यूज आयकला ते इवन डॉनल्ड बाबान म्हणल्यार ते थँकफूल आहा CMाक. तुमी कितें सांगपाचें आहा तेजेर?
आतां म्हागेली आवय बी ओल्ड एज होम आशिल्ली ती आतां एग्जार हाडल्या आनी मातशें तिका ट्रिटमेंट बी चालू आसा तें बरें आसा तें